and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, yesterday being the weekend, I had made this very light, simple pulao, and to go with it, I had made these lovely mince croquettes. The recipe is very easy, it gets ready very quickly, and I just club it up with some salads or some tomatoes cut up, as well as some onion rings with just a little bit of lemon on top. It was a very light meal and it got ready also very quickly. So I thought I'd share these two recipes with you. I hope you like these recipes, and if you do, don't forget to give it a big like. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button that you see below the video. Click the bell so you'll get all messages about when I put up my videos. And go and check out my channel. I have loads and loads of recipes. So let's get started with this simple pulao and mince croquettes recipes. First, we're going to start making this simple pulao recipe. Now here I've taken about 1 cup of rice, washed it well, soaked it for 10 minutes and then drained out all the excess water. This is 1 medium onion which I've sliced, or you can even chop it into cubes. This is a paste of 4 light green chilies, 1 inch of ginger and 5 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric and haldi powder. This is some garam masala, that is half an inch of cinnamon, 6 peppercorns, 5 cloves and 1 cardamom or elaichi. Then these are 2 soup cubes or Maggi cubes. You can use the chicken flavor or the veg flavor. This is what it looks like when you empty it from the packet. Now here I'm heating up about 1.5 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee. This ghee adds a really lovely flavor to this dish. I'm going to be adding the whole spices as well as the ginger, garlic and green chili paste. We're going to fry this well till the rawness of the ginger and the garlic completely go away. And you get a lovely aroma of the whole spices as well as the ginger garlic paste. Now we're going to add our onion. Like I said, you can slice it, you can chop it. Fry the onion also well till it becomes a little translucent. Now we're going to add our haldi or turmeric powder because it gives a nice pale yellow color to the pulao, which makes it look really nice. And now we're going to add these soup cubes or Maggi cubes. And now I'm not going to be adding any salt because these cubes have enough of salt content. So there's no requirement of adding additional salt. And now we're going to add the rice. Fry the rice for a little while in this bagar. And then we're going to add 3 cups of water. And then we're going to let the water come to a boil on a high flame. And once it starts to boil, we're going to simmer it and cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes, keeping an eye on it. Now, after 10 minutes, switch off the heat and your pulao is ready. So wasn't that really quick? If you have some unexpected guest or you just want to cook up something quick and fast, this is the fastest recipe for a pulao. And it tastes simply delicious. And now we're going to go to make the croquettes. Now you can use the mince of your choice. I'm going to go with chicken. So here I have about 250 grams of minced chicken, 1 medium onion chopped fine, the same paste that we used with 4 green chilies, half an inch of ginger and some garlic. Now this is some pao. You can also use slices of bread. This gives some body to the croquettes. 1 egg. This is half a teaspoon of garam masala. I'll leave a link to my recipe of garam masala. This is 1 medium potato boiled, again to give a body to the croquettes, and some salt to taste. So now we're going to transfer all of the ingredients into a bowl. And then we're just going to give all of this a good mash up with your hand, or you can use a potato masher. And we're gonna mash this up really, really well. And then we're just going to put the croquettes roughly first. Try to keep them of the same size. So this is just the first step. I like to do it in 2 parts, like you will see in the video. So first we just take a similar quantity for all of them and just roughly roll them in the breadcrumbs. There is a recipe for homemade breadcrumbs at the end of the video, so don't forget to watch the video till the end. And then just keep them aside. And once you finish making all of them, now we're going to give them a proper shape. So using a nice long knife or even a steel ruler, a clean steel ruler, you're just going to press them on all sides evenly so that you get an even shape and they look nice and neat. But this is a close-up of how I'm doing it. I learned this technique from my dad. So that all of them really look very neat and tidy. Just press them against this steel knife or steel ruler, that whatever you have, and just make them into even size cubes, and then again coat them with a layer of these breadcrumbs. That way you'll get a lovely crispy layer on the outside and it becomes nice and crisp. So in this way, we're going to shape all of them. And then you can store them in a airtight container. They last for about a day or 2. And don't keep them much longer than a day or 2. And you can fry them whenever you want. If you want to keep it for another day, for 3 days, then I think you should deep freeze it and then use it. But don't keep stuff in your refrigerator for very long. You should try to use up food on the same day or maximum the next day. So these are all the croquettes that we made from just 250 grams of mince. Like I said, you can store them in your refrigerator in a nice airtight container. And now all we have to do is just shallow fry them in about 2 tablespoons of oil till they're nice and golden brown. This is such a nice party starter or even a tiffin box item or just an anytime snack. You can even put this into some puri or roti and just sprinkle some Frankie masala and you're done with Frankies. So this is an ideal afternoon lunch, and all I did was just cut up some onions in rings and just put a little lemon juice on them, and I just cut up a tomato, and that's it. So I hope you like today's recipes. I hope you give them a try. And if you like them, then don't forget to give this video a big like. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and become a part of Akshata's Recipes family. Click the bell so you won't miss out on anything happening. Every time I put up a new video, you'll get a message for the same. Share my recipes with family and friends. Visit Akshata's Recipes. I've got loads and loads of recipes and I'll be coming up with many, many more. Thank you so much for watching my videos and stopping by my channel. I will catch you in my next recipe. Bye.